За сайн байцгаана уу. Хүсмай кичний маань 2 дахь дугаар бэлэн болоод ээж байна. Энэ удаагийн дугаараар маань манай сайн найзуудын нэг Нели орно. Нели хар багасаа Америкт ирсэн. Бараг 7 илүү 8-тад ирж исэн. Тэгээд монголоор сайн ярьдаггүй байгаа. Тийм болохоор энэ бичлэг дээр бид хоёр бас монгол англиар хольж ярих гэхдээ би Нелигийн англиар хэлж байгаа хүмүүсийг чадхаараа монголоор орчуулад явах болно. Нелигийн дуртай дишнүүдийн нэг нь болохоор chicken pesto ахгүй юу. Тэгээд chicken pesto өнөөдөр хийж үзүүлнэ. Хэрвээ та нар ерөөсөө хийж үзэж байгаагүй бол энэ бичлэгээ үргэлжлүүлэн үзээрэй. Тэгээ би ч гэсэн Нелиг одоо хүлэнгээ та нарт юу ордгийг харуулчих. За өнөөдрийн арга амнаас bacon, тэгээд chicken breast, тэгээд зүгээр asparagus on the side. Тэгээд хамгийн чухал юм нь pesto sauce and shredded cheese. Premium na son. The Neli's here.
It's a heart. Oh. I'm kidding. We just do like, okay. So we're gonna eat pesto chicken. You already told everything.
Yeah, pesto chicken.
Okay. You know, it's better if you get the smaller ones. So you know the ones that are like smaller, but it's totally fine. Who cares? You're just gonna cut them. So let's just cut it like this. So this much.
Wait,
like
you just original
medium size. So you cut. I think this is enough. You can put that away.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we're gonna be cutting them.
So
okay, and then you cut this, and then you just cut this. This one's a little smaller. Take it. In the pocket. You have to make a pocket.
Тэгээ над дотроо нөгөө pesto.
Yeah. I kind of messed up on this because it's like kind of open, but basically, like chicken. What is it? Hot pockets. Kind of like that. So like this one. Let's do better demonstration here. Oh my god.
No,
it's fine. Like that.
There's no sound.
Okay, this is good. You have that. You have that. So the prepping, you just wait. Wait, you try making the incision. it's like surgery. Yeah. It's like science class. Have you ever dissected a frog before?
Oh.
You know, like when you dissect a frog in science class?
Oh,
really? That's nasty.
Okay.
Okay, look.
I
did it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Камер дараалсан. Бүгдэнд нь ингээд дундуур нь хайчлаад pocket гаргацсан. Одоо энэ дотроо cheese тэгээд pesto sauce хийгээд тэгээ гутлаа гадуур нөгөө бэкнэр ороод штэ.
Friendsgiving. 400, yeah.
Oh
my god, pesto is so delicious. Okay, so you put pesto here. Good amount. You can leave that there because like
best camera.
Oh, and then the cheese.
Okay,
yeah. Actually it's fine. It's good. You put. Don't be stingy with the pesto. You have to use a lot.
Okay. Yeah,
and then can you open this one? Yeah. And then we're gonna put a lot of cheese.
Yeah,
cheese makes it good.
Sous chef.
Yeah.
What kind of cheese?
Let me smell it.
Is it blue cheese?
Who cares? It's fine. Cheese is cheese. I thought you guys were gonna get just like the cheddar, but it's totally fine. It's good. Oh, put more.
Is it good?
We're gonna finish that. Yeah. This thing is absolutely nothing. I'm gonna put pesto and you put a lot of cheese on top because I don't want to mix these.
Okay.
Okay, let's do like 3 or 4 at a time. You take the bacon. Do you eat
bacon?
Bacon or like what is it called? Pork a lot? Not a lot.
Not a lot.
Maybe like barbecue or something. Sometimes. Same with me. I never eat
заримдаа хоёлаа монголоор ярьсан.
Oh, okay. So she feeds it.
So
each chicken can be wrapped with 2 bacon.
Okay.
Oh, you want me to tell you how I learned about this? Okay. I used to watch Bub's Beauty back in the day.
And
she's a beauty YouTuber. And she used to like live in Hong Kong. She didn't really cook that much in Hong Kong because grocery shopping in Hong Kong is actually considered to be more expensive than eating out every day. It's actually cheaper to get food that's already made for you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner than get groceries. Because I think a lot of Asian countries are like that as well. Like groceries and fresh produce are a lot more expensive. So she doesn't really cook a lot. So that one day she did like a vlog on her beauty channel, and she was like, "Oh, I think I'm gonna make food tonight, and this is like an easy recipe that I learned a while back, and I always make this. It's super easy." And then she did it in like 5 minutes, well, in the video. And then I was like, "Oh my god, that looks so fun and easy."
That's how you learn.
And then that's how I learned it. Look at that. Well, there you have it.
Okay, ингэж харагдаж байна. Одоо ингэж овен дотор овноо 400 дээр халаацсан байгаа. Тэгээ 400 дээр хитэн 30-40 минут гэсэн үү?
Yeah. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen, Haley. Do you remember that? Yeah. Is this enough? I think it's fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
And so
I don't think it needs much.
I don't think we have a lot of like everything. And then I'll just put.
Хоёлаа сая хийж байхдаа амар нөгөө хоолндоо фокус хийгээд юу ч яриаг юм шүү дээ. So tell me about yourself.
I don't want to talk about myself.
Хоёлаа хэдэн онд танилцлаа?
I have no idea when I met you, but I just know you. Like it was just such a small like Mongolian community. Okay, we knew of each other. We'd say like hi, you know what I mean, like at like Christmas parties, because that was the fun thing about. Yeah. Cheers. This tastes good.
This is my favorite.
I don't know why I'm not a wine girl anymore.
어디 뭐? 자, 400 дээр 30 минут тавьлаа.
This is a little bit messy. I sat at rest and she was explaining everything, like and I'm like, wait,
we are
how do you do this?
I have to do subtitle for.
I don't know. Do people even care? I think they'll understand it.
You think?
Yeah. This is just cooking. Yeah. Like I used to watch like Chinese cooking channels when I was little. Can. Cheers. Cheers.
Okay.
Cheers.
Okay.
All right. Well, let's do a better one. Maybe taller.
Okay.
Cheers.
Oh yeah, you're taller than me now. Okay.
Cheers. Cheers.
Okay. За одоо тэгээд хоол гаргачаад буцаад ороод ирье.
For dessert, we have this.
Oh my gosh, that's a good one.
Oh, this is how the chicken looks.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh my god, this is how the yummy.
Look at this. Okay, камер дээр нөх гой харагдахгүй л юм л та.
But this is good. I begged her to let us have dessert before dinner. Outfit of the day.
Oh, I don't know if I'm feeling this though.
Just at home outfit. Getting out. Nice. You still look cute at home. I just wore my pajamas.
Oh, this is not my at-home clothes. I tried a little bit.
Oh, okay, for the video.
Yeah.
They're still very cute and casual.
This is my most comfortable pants at the moment. Саку нааг энийг бүр 3-4 хоног дараалж үзлээ.
That's how I am. If I like a food,
Yeah.
or if I like a song, or if I like an outfit, I just repeat it. Okay, one fun fact about yourself.
See you.
See ya.
See ya. One fact. Oh my gosh, I don't even know. What is it?
I know how to do something really cool.
Okay.
I learned this on Disney Channel a long time ago. So, this is a hair tie. And then I'm gonna make this jump from here to here in a second. Ready?
Wait, hold on. Oh! Oh, that's
That's
cool.
my fun fact. I know how to do that.
Okay.
What about you?
Oh, I can touch my nose.
With your tongue?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god.
That's but I touched it, right?
No. Oh my god. What about the tip? Oh my god.
Ow. I think
can't
it's so chilly. I don't know why people can do that. Sakwas, that's so weird. Тэгээд яг миний nose чинь it's not onjo жоохон ингэ дэшаа штэ. Saku нааг аржитка амартай юм биш. Like Saku would touch it, you know, because his nose is like жоохон onjo, but he can't.
For sure. Show you.
Fun fact.
Тана viewers чинь чиний тухай гой
You're my guest.
Oh.
Намайг инээгээд миний шалтай.
So like we said, we're college friends. We became friends when we were in college. When we both went to a community college together before we went to our universities. And then we had so much fun. We partied.
We partied a lot.
We partied a lot.
Okay.
A lot of funny stories.
Drunk stories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then that's it.
But then now we're like
I don't want to drink.
okay,
now it's all ready.
Oh. Whoa.
Oh my god. All right, it's a little bit burnt, but it's okay. Nice.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
We haven't tasted this since 5 years ago.
Okay, доторх нь ингэж харагдаж байна. Oh my god. Хараа том.
First bite, let's just see. It's good. It kind of tastes like, I think the dressing, the seasoning, everything is good.
Тэг жоохон удаан болгосон ч нөгөө жоохон dry шүү дээ.
A little bit dry, yeah. Because we kept on messing up.
Dude, it's so good. There's a pesto sauce in the
Or maybe you can film it like opening. I'll film it.